everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Devonna Nicole. Thank you for joining me today. Today I am going to be unboxing our September IPSY Glam Bag Plus bag in question. This is how it shows up to you in the mail. This bag currently costs $25, but unfortunately guys, like everything else, the price is going up. October the 1st, the bag goes up to $28 a month. If you want to save a little bit of money, they said you could sign up for the annual membership and it'll be a little bit cheaper for you. So if you guys are interested, please go to IPSY.com to go sign up for these IPSY bags if you love makeup and beauty like I do. So if you are new to my channel, thank you and welcome. My channel does beauty and lifestyle unboxings. I post weekly different videos for different boxes. If you love beauty and makeup, please stay tuned and watch my channel. I have some other great videos. Feel free to peruse my channel and check out some of those. But for right now, we're going to get into this bag. So when you get your IPSY bag, this is how it shows up in the mail. It comes in this little pretty pink mailer. This is the September bag for 2021. We have the plaids going on here, bringing in the fall. I don't know if you're ready for the fall yet. I'm not quite there, but I guess I'm going to have to go with it. So this is our bag. And let's start off by pulling out our first product. So you always get these little cards in your bag, and either it'll tell you about some of the products or to give you some makeup tips. This one is like work life, school life. So basically, whether you're rushing into the office again or commuting or wearing lipstick, catch up on your much needed self-care. So got little tips in here if you care. You can read that when you get your bag. So the first product that I'm pulling out, guys, happens to be Yuma Beauty. This is a liquid eyeliner. I'm sure it's in the color black. Yes, the color black. We always get black. I don't know why we don't get other colors, but I guess that's the universal color for everyone. But this is blacker than y'all. Okay. All right, now, is this a liquid? Yeah, this is a liquid eyeliner, guys. And this is a full-size product. And in your IPSY bags, you typically do get 5 full-size products with the Glam Bag Plus. So this is our first product. And I am not familiar with this brand. On the actual liner, they have Cleopatra ink, blacker than y'all. And we have a nice felt tip. And I'm going to just do a quick line and see how it comes. Oh, this one moves very easy. I hope you guys can see that, but you don't even have to put much pressure on it. It comes out very freely, which is great, because sometimes you get these liquid liners and I swear you think you're going to poke your eye out trying to put this stuff on. So I can't wait to try that one. That one looks real easy to work with. The next product that I'm pulling out my bag, hold up, I'll do that last. I'll do my add-ons last for y'all. The next product that I have is I do have a makeup brush. This was one of my selections that I selected. And that's just because you can always use a good makeup brush. And this one is made by Real Her. I'm familiar with that brand. We have gotten lipsticks and lip glosses from them in the past. And you got a nice big fluffy brush. And it's nice and soft and dense. This would be a great brush to put powder on or to maybe finish off your makeup with. So that's a plus. Looks like a good brush. So the next thing I have that we'll move on to, I have a face scrub. So this is made by Upcircle. It is a face scrub. It's a coffee face scrub formulated for dry and dehydrated skin as we get into the fall. I have oily skin, but I do get a little bit dehydrated when the cold weather comes in. So this would be a good exfoliant for me for my face to kind of get some of the old dull looking skin off. So this one is made with rose hemp, sweet oranges, and lemon verbena essential oil. So you buff away all the dead skin cells to leave you with soft, smooth, and glowy skin. It's blended with shea butter to nourish the skin. And basically, y'all know how to use this. Damp face, rub a little on, rub it in, rinse. So this appears to be a full-size product as well. Let's take it out the box so you guys can see it. And this is how it comes. It's in a nice little tube. And it says all around better skincare. So I can't wait to use that. Always could use a good face scrub. So that's a plus. And my next product is I have a vegan essence toner. Now I do like essence toners to go on right after I like wash my face, and kind of that's the beginning of my skincare first skincare steps after I wash my face. So I actually ran out of one that I was using, so I just kind of picked this one to be a replacement. So this one is made with chamomile and some aloe vera juice, and I just like this to kind of just be your first step in prepping your skin for your skincare. So I chose this, and this is made by what is this, Vegan by Happy Skin. So that's the brand that this is with. And my last product out my bag, guys, is another choice that I choose. So this is Murad Acne Control, and this is the spot cream for rapid relief acne treatment. I love Murad products, guys. I use them daily. So when I saw that there was an option for the acne spot treatment, I jumped on it. I love this blue line that they have for acne. So if any of you guys got oily acne prone skin like me, this blue line that they make for the acne prone skin, any product out of there is generally great. And I normally use the regular lotion, so I was excited to get this. So overall, guys, for $25, I would say I didn't have a bad bag. So I got my Murad spot cream, I got my essence, I also have a coffee face scrub, I have my Brush by Real Her, and I have a black eyeliner. So clearly I will never run out of black eyeliner as long as I get subscription boxes. But I did do 2 little small add-on products just because I wanted to try these products out. So I just got the little small sizes. So my 2 add-ons are, I picked the Sunday Riley Good Jeans. I have tried Sunday Riley's products before. I have not tried the Good Jeans product. And this is the lactic acid treatment. It helps to exfoliate dull skin and helps bring the surface skin to be smooth for a younger, radiant looking skin. So this was like $3 an add-on, which I didn't think was bad. And then the next add-on product I did was Tatcha. I've been dying to try these Tatcha products. They're so expensive, and I just wanted to be able to see what the product is like before I make such a hefty purchase of their brand. So this is their soft cream cleanser, and this is pretty much you just add water and you clean your face. So this is the cleanser out of that line. So these are just be 2 great sizes just for me to test it out to see if it's a good match for my skin. But guys, that is my glam bag. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I appreciate you stopping by to watch it. Please let me know what you liked out of my bag, if we're bag twins, or if there was something in my bag that you didn't care for, or if you ain't like my bag at all. So just hit me up in the comments. Please come back and visit my channel again. Greatly appreciate it. Thank you. Bye bye.